Hello people, Rani and Musa here today. Hello? Today we are going to see our new pet. We got a new pet since Shelly is gone. We got a parrot. And we're going to name it Olaf. It's a green Quaker parrot. It can even talk. We'll have to teach it. But when we bought it, it was only 1 week old. And he was on the formula. Or she, we don't know what gender it is. We can't find the gender until it's 9 months or 8 months old. So right now we're calling it he. So that's why we named it Olaf. And its nickname is going to be named Mittu. So we're going to see the parrot today. We bring our towels in this bag so we can play with the Olaf. And so Olaf has sharp nails. And its nails hurt Musa last time. He had the scar. But now I think it faded. And I was very scared to hold it. It was like very scary of like jumping around. And I can't like pet it. I just petted it. And we got like the most oldest, but it's probably like 1.5 weeks old when we got it. Though I don't know how old it was. It didn't tell us. And we were from where we got it from Parrots, Just Parrots, American Bird Company.
And our parrot was when the people took it out. Our parrot ran behind a blender.
Yeah, it ran behind the food, like the coffee maker or something. I don't know. Like it was shy, and like how it was, if you pet it, it was like getting calm. It didn't jump up. But like I was scared because like of his nails. And they said that they'll cut the nails. And we got a green Quaker. I think he already told you. And the colors are like green, and like on the little tips, it's like tealish kind of color.
And we, it looked, there was even another parrot that was I don't remember its name, but it was a blue, I think it was a turquoise something.
Turquoise conure?
Yeah, turquoise conure. And it looked like, its color looked like its tips. Kind of looked like its tips.
Yeah, and it was like a very, like a good kind, but like I don't think so it talked. We even checked our Petco, but we didn't find so many choices, so we went there to Paris. So rest of the things we're going to tell you when we arrive there. You're going to see a lot of parrots. At the entrance, there's this big, huge parrot. He's about like 25 years old or so. And like he talks. He's like those normal parrots, red and kind of like colorful wings at the end. And then he even says hello, and he does not like females for some reason. And he is a macaw. So you're going to see some pictures when we arrive. We're going to show you little pictures and little videos we took. There's this like huge bunch of Quakers. Musa was like putting his hand, and they were like tickling him.
Yes, Musa. How are you feeling right now? Excited? Or
Okay.
just okay?
I feel like excited.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but like he screams too much. He goes like, ah! Ah! Ah!
Let's see. You guys gonna have so much fun, right?
Yeah. We named it Olaf, so it's a snowman. No, it's not a snowman.
Oh, Musa's saying might be. Why, Musa?
Because might be it hurts me again.
But they said they're gonna cut the nails for you, right?
Right now, today.
We're not getting today.
A possibility.
Still his baby.
Possibility. They say you could take it home today.
Still his baby. I'm not gonna take it home.
Might be. Going in, and we're gonna show you some cool little parrots. Oh yeah, and right here. Right by the window. the Macau one I told you. The big one that's 25 years old. He does not like females. And yeah. And he is a man. So let's go in. Say hello, Mona. He's not going to listen to me. Hello. Hello.
Say again.
Hello. You gotta
Hello.
say hello.
Hello.
You better say hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
You guys have to be quiet. Then you're
Hello.
gonna say something.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Baby's room. They're fighting. They're fighting. Baby boy.
Get yours. Get yours. Get your baby
It's
first.
up. It's up.
Is there? It's up there. Take him out. Oh.
Who's a good boy? You are. You're a good boy. You're good Ola. You're good Ola. You're good Ola. A little baby and I want to take a picture. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh, you're a good boy.
You are. Come on, come on, come on. Let me hold you.
Why I take him home?
Be careful.
And I kiss him.
And it can jump down, okay?
I want you to take a go. Where is he?
He's with me.
Hello. 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 You're dancing. Dance. Dance like this, and then this. So this way, then this way, this way, then this way, this way, then this way, this way, then this way. What is it? This way, this way. This way, then this way, this way, then this way. Is our baby parrot okay? Is he okay?
Yeah, he's doing fine. He's with me. Don't worry.
Is okay?
He is fine. Absolutely fine.
Okay.
See him?
My baby. He's a baby. I want him. He's so good. He's adorable. He's adorable.
See, that one is dancing.
Oh, let's put him here for now.
He's so cute.
Hello. Say hello. Be a good boy. So say hello. Hello, hello, hello. Do you say hello? Do. I love you. Oh, you saw that? He
Yeah.
got scared. So we just a baby. Olaf is adorable. So I was holding him. So cute.
Hope you like our video. Please like and subscribe to see more videos like this.